Here's my vegetable garden. They're not growing as fast as last year. I think it's because of the weather. We're not getting, well, it seems like it's a little, the summer this year seems like it's a little cooler compared to last year. These are king chai or Chinese celery. And I have one English cucumber. And I have one bitter melon right over here. There. It's my bitter melon. Oh, actually it's two. There, small ones over there. I didn't see that. Okay. Did I miss anything else? Nope. How about here? No, I didn't miss anything. Here's my watermelon. There's one female over here. I'm not sure if it's been pollinated. We'll find out and see if it's going to get bigger. Here's my yard beans or sitaw. They're not growing as tall as I wanted to. And my green beans over here. And more green beans over here. And I have some fruits there already. Some green beans. Maybe a few more days. I'll be harvesting some of it. Here are my hyacinth beans or bataw. They have beautiful flowers. They're flowering, but there's not much right now to harvest. And here's my zucchini. There are a couple of zucchinis there. And eggplants over here. And the jute plants over here. I've harvested some jute plants already. Jute leaves, I mean. I might harvest some more before Saturday. For the barbecue Saturday. I'm going to make a dinding. This is my strawberry. There's no fruit right now, but there's a flower. We did harvest some of the fruits already. This is an ever-bearing strawberry. These are my herbs. My dill is already dying. This one is basil, Thai basil, curly leaf parsley, and cilantro. They're starting to flower now, so I'm going to start planting or putting some more seeds. Let's go to the other parts of my vegetable garden where I planted the bottle gourds and peppers. Here are the bottle gourds. I have two varieties, one elongated and the other one is round. And in the same raised bed as the gourds are different varieties of peppers, Thai, bell, and cayenne. Here's my vegetable garden in August. The hyacinth beans have really grown, and so as the jute plants. Here are some of my eggplants. This one is the white one. More eggplants here. And another one there. More white eggplants here. The bitter melon are slowly growing. Their growth has been slower this year compared to last year. The bitter melon fruits are slowly growing as well. This one's ripening already. Take a look at the tip. Here's another one. Another small variety fruit here. I haven't seen any regular sized bitter melon fruit yet. Another smaller fruit here. Here's another variety of eggplants. This is the dark purple ones. These are my sweet yellow watermelon plants. There are 4 small watermelon fruits growing right now. I've got lots of green bean plants, and it's time to start harvesting. Here are some more dark purple eggplants. More white eggplants over here. These are yard beans. They didn't grow much this year. Most of my vegetables didn't do too well this year, except for the hyacinth beans and the tomatoes. I planted the tomatoes close to the house. I've been practicing crop rotation to reduce pests and diseases. Crop rotation also helps keep the soil healthy. Here are my 2 zucchini plants. I'm trying to keep it upright with the support of a rebar. My sad-looking cucumber has fruit. I'll harvest it in a few days. Here's one that's ready to harvest. It's not as long as I expected. But still a cucumber. Let's go to the bottle gourd and pepper side. This is a mulberry tree. It is supposed to be zone 4 hardy, so I thought of planting it here. We'll see if it can survive our harsh Winnipeg winter. The Thai pepper have started flowering. And the bottle gourd have fruit. Finally, this is ready to be harvested. Last year, I've started harvesting as early as July, and they were much bigger and longer. These two are the red bell peppers. Ooh, nice. There are some green peppers, and I can't wait for them to turn red. I have two varieties of cayenne pepper, and this is one of them. These didn't get pollinated, so that's why they're turning yellow. Here's another one that wasn't pollinated. The bottom is starting to rot. Here's the other kind of cayenne pepper. They're shorter than the other ones. According to my brother-in-law, these peppers weren't spicy at all. I thought cayenne peppers were supposed to be spicy. And that's it for today's vegetable garden tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing how everything is growing and the progress in my garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to follow along as I continue harvesting and sharing updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!